Content creation in inbound marketing class is just one example of experiential learning at the Purdue School of Business. Our industry partner, HubSpot, uses this class as an example for others all around the world. They consider Salisbury University a pioneer in creating not simulations, but actual real-world challenges in the classroom.
OurFirstJobSearch.com is an ever-evolving web page and blog we created to learn digital marketing. The project started in fall of 2018 in the Content Creation and Inbound Marketing course. Consider it a portal to job search information that we hope you'll bookmark and come back to visit frequently. It's job search information curated and created by students for students. Our message for job seekers is wherever you are, it starts here. Each semester, we add content and improve the site based on analytics and feedback from our users. Some of our student digital marketers want to tell you about the webpage and what they've learned building and maintaining OurFirstJobSearch.com for you. Visit us at OurFirstJobSearch.com.
Working on OurFirstJobSearch.com taught me web design. I had to learn how to use the back end of Squarespace to convert our PDF webbooks into fully functioning live web pages, including live links, embedded content like photos and videos, and more.
Working on OurFirstJobSearch.com taught me the real-world applications of how inbound marketing works because I had to learn how to create pillar pages, landing pages, how to acquire leads, and how to effectively track and measure the right kinds of traffic to our website.
Working on OurFirstJobSearch.com taught me the basics of SEO and how to track the metrics involved with the data collected.
Working on Our First Job Search taught me teamwork because I not only worked with my individual team, but the class as a whole, while continually improving and updating OurFirstJobSearch.com.
Working on OurFirstJobSearch.com taught me blogging. I had to post blogs weekly to the website and even write my own blog on finding a job that best suits you. I got to play around with different templates and tested the times of when to post blogs for the best open and click rate.
Working with OurFirstJobSearch.com, I was able to gain certifications that would prepare me for the corporate world.
Working on Our First Job Search taught me how to look and interpret analytics because I had to learn how to analyze the data from the website, from where the users were clicking, when they were accessing our data, and when they would lose them in the pipeline.
So proud of my students. This semester, 29 of them earned over 130 industry-recognized certifications in everything from inbound marketing and content to Google Ads and Adobe Photoshop.